Hi there! Welcome to House and Saucin. Today, we are going to learn how to make beef chow fun, 乾炒牛河. Beef chow fun originated in Guangzhou, China. The name chow fun itself refers to the distinctive style of flat rice noodles used in the dish. According to a popular legend, the dry fry version of the dish originated during the Japanese occupation in Guangzhou. A local food stall had run out of the starch, typically used to make a wet sauce, when a military commander came to order the dish. With no starch available, the stall owner improvised by creating a dry fry version. To everyone's surprise, it became a hit and quickly gained popularity. Today's star of the show is my mom, Hao Sin, a talented five-star hotel chef from Hong Kong. Time to get started. Roll up your sleeve, wash your hands, and let's get cooking.
Hello，大家好，今日教大家炒河粉，乾炒牛河，搣開佢，搣開佢，倒咗落去浸一陣間，炒散佢，一定熱水浸一浸佢，你唔浸你好難。跟住開火，燒興個鑊先啦。材料你喺晒度啦，我哋切咗個洋葱、葱、牛肉、芽菜。跟住首先你就擺埋個洋葱落去嘅，洋葱爆香佢，俾埋洋葱落去咧，爆香佢，跟住就倒埋個牛肉落去炒。牛肉一定要爆熟佢嘅喎，如果唔係你一定兜起嚟好難。好啦，跟住就倒芽菜落去啦。屋企煮係咁噶啦，倒埋芽菜落去，即係好似煮餸咁咧，糖原味係咁，少少糖，跟住落啲鹽啊，啲咁多，啲咁多，一匙羹仔，一匙羹仔蠔油。跟住就倒啲老抽落去，倒翻一匙羹仔老抽，細匙羹仔啊，雞丁一匙羹仔。好啦，而家倒落河粉落去，倒埋河粉落去，呢度一包河粉啊，我哋攞個筷子抽佢。老抽係白色嘅啫。落多一匙羹落去，老抽落去再搭下顏色。葱多就最 last 落。好啦，而家上碟㗎啦。好啦，而家炒好咗乾炒牛河啦，我哋嚟試下啦。好食。芽菜又爽。
呢個喺餐館最出名就係乾炒牛河，
係啦，
邊間中國餐館一定都有佢。
大家照呢個方法去試下，學埋呢啲炒乾炒牛河啦，屋企炒都好容易炒嘅啫。好食。OK， 拜拜。
拜拜。I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss a new episode. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, bye!